What's going on, and welcome back to the channel, guys. I am doing a fun video today. It is gonna be me in the gimnasio. Welcome, here we are. Today we're gonna be doing a jack reacher workout. So if you guys don't know who that is, a brand new Amazon series, and I will insert here. Okay, a brand new Amazon series came out called Jack Reacher. I mean, it's not brand new, it was first done by Tom Cruise. Guy's huge, all right? Guy's an absolute unit, and he did do us the pleasure of including his workout on Men's Health. So today we're gonna do it. He included an arm workout with a little bit of cardio. So without further ado, let's do this, shall we?
I'm so sweaty, so sweaty.
Why does he do this to himself? It hurts so much.
It hurts so good.
Jack Reacher is not natty. I'm putting it out there right now. All right, I have done myself the pleasure of preparing this ahead of time, so I'm just gonna open up the notes and run through it here beforehand. It says he does 6 sets, but he recommended 4 sets on the video. So he talks about doing 15 to 25 repetitions, and he says because, you know, we don't push ourselves close enough to failure and things like that, he said that you grow most and experience hypertrophy most if you're close to there. I mean, he's kind of close about that, but he still mentions rep ranges like 15 to 25. There is actually no evidence to support that, but I digress. I feel like I'm gonna be in for a shit time tomorrow, but let's see, shall we? So, also, shout out Alphalete. They get a lot of hate for their stuff not lasting long, but I've literally had this since first year university, which is about 9-ish, 9.5, almost 10 years ago. So, first exercise, tricep press downs or extensions, 4 by 15 to 25. Immediately superset with overhead extensions, another tricep, okay, 2 tricep exercises in a row. If you push till close enough to failure on one of them, you shouldn't have to do the other one, but anyway, we're gonna do it. 15 to 25 as well, and then hammer curl 4 by 15 to 25. Luckily for me, there's only 3 exercises. This is just an arm workout, so, you know, you gotta get the guns juiced. Just so you know what we're playing with, this is the physique, this is the arm, okay? Nothing crazy, nothing fancy. We're not gonna measure it, but we're just gonna see how I feel about it, if it's too much or whatever. All right, tricep press downs, 4 by 15 to 25. And overhead extensions immediately, Jesus Christ. Everything done with the rope. Let's do this. First set. Oh, all right. Maybe I shouldn't have grabbed 240 pounds. Oh, first set. All right. Oh, first set. That's a lot. There's no need for this much. It's like going till failure and then trying to keep going. Whew, all right, but we gotta keep it moving. All right, round 2. Holy flip. Oh, this is an absolute failure. I gotta drop it. I'm doing a drop set, drop set, drop set. Oh, big drops. All right, we're 2 sets in, and no chance I'll be able to recover from this stuff that fast. Oh my God, this guy's a lunatic, but hey, you know what? He put on 30 pounds of muscle for this movie, or sorry, for this show. So there's gotta be something to it. I will say that you don't need to train with this much volume. Everyone is quite different, but you should be able to train each body part
about 30 sets on average, if not a little bit less than that. Some people a little less, some people a little more per week, per muscle group. So yeah, me doing freaking 6 all in one go, that's a lot. So I've got 2 more to go based on his recommendations. And it's kind of redundant going from one tricep extension to another tricep extension. I would totally recommend you go, you know, antagonizing movements, so the biceps and the triceps together, that's a good combination, but doing all 3 at once, that's a little bit much. And if you are training till failure, it is redundant. However, my arm is getting tired holding this, so let's get into this third set. Oh, I'm sorry, 20 is failure for me. 20 is failure for me. By the way, quick intermission here to remind you that these hats, evidence nutrition hats that say yes. So like in moments like this, when shit is going to absolute hell and you just go, yes. We got those for sale. And at 30,000, when I get 30,000 followers on TikTok, I will be doing a giveaway. So make sure you go get involved, go follow me on TikTok at evidence nutrition. Let's go. If he actually does this much volume and challenges himself enough on these weights such that he's already getting tired by 8 reps, he's not natty. Jack Reacher is not natty. I'm putting it out there right now. So juicy! Oh my God. My arms. I can't do more than 15. I can't do more than 15. Why does he do this to himself? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's brutal. Last one. Hurts so much. 4 sets, done. On to the next one. What's the next one? Next one. Oh, by the way, he said you have to confuse the muscles. That's a red flag, by the way. But he's not saying he's a trainer anyway, so it doesn't matter. You don't have to confuse the muscles. Things are different from Arnold's time. All right, I'm just looking at it. By the way, Thad Castle, which was what his name was in, what was it, Blue Mountain State? That's what it's called. Thad Castle's put on some poundage, for sure. 30 pounds, holy, he is thicker than a Snicker. But hammer press and skull crushers. My boy's doing 2 triceps exercises in a row again. Why is he doing all this volume for his triceps in one damn day? My triceps can't handle this much volume. Like, this is my entire week's worth of volume. But this is for science, so we're doing the video. Oh. I just finished set number 2. They're called skull crushers for a reason. I almost died, didn't get it on video, unfortunately. But yeah, if you even think about trying this at home, have a spotter, or just don't do it. On to set number 3. Ooh, let's go. Oh, 15. It was failure, all right, we're going on failure. Superset. Oh my God, I gotta superset this. Must finish. He's fake natty, for sure. Fucking took some serious roids before this film, but We got one more round. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna do this.
Fuck you, that castle.
I have never had such a tricep pump. My delt's disappearing. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. But like, it's kind of nice though, you know? This is literally the lightest weight at the gym. I can't go any lower. I need 5 more reps. All right, next one. All right, easy curl bars, 21s. So 7, 7, 7, and full 7. I can start, you can do it in any order, I think though. An easy curl overhead extension. Another overhead extension. Sick, very nice. I don't know what to do. It hurts so good. I mean, I'm definitely guilty as charged as far as maybe not pushing myself all the way as much as I could when I'm normally in the gym, but this is a little bit too much. Just a little bit too much. And by too much, I just mean I won't be able to recover by my next arm day, so my next arm day is gonna suffer. And that is why we don't wanna keep pushing it, because we're looking at long-term gain. Yeah, it might feel very sore, and that might be very good short-term, but long-term, we wanna look at it long-term. Will I be able to maintain that? Absolutely not. No way he has another set of extensions after this. No way. I have a confession to make. There's people around, and I turned the camera off to be, you know, conscious of other people. So we're back. It's only about 10 minutes later. We've done 2 more sets. Got 1 more set to go. I've never been friggin' juicier in my life. This is crazy. Like my arms, look, I can't. I'm trying to touch my shoulder. If you're sitting by your computer right now, try to touch your shoulder. I hope you can touch it. All right, last set. Let's do it, 21s. I gotta do the top half. Do the last ones with me here. Oh no, I have more extensions to do. He also added a 10-minute run. Unreal, can't wait. By the way, I agree with him. You should definitely do cardio. Find a way, whether it's low intensity, steady state walking, but you should find a way to get that heart rate up every week. Well, walking is underrated. Can't even take my freaking stringer off. Physique check. Weighing in at a bulky 230 right now. Yeah, 182.75. I was 182.75. Proportions are still looking pretty mean. All right, let's go run. I hate running. The final product. Super sweaty me. That was a lot. My arms still feel tight, but thankfully after that run, they've loosened up a little bit. I shouldn't have run in these shoes, but I just wanted to come on here and remind you guys before I sign off here that you do not need to confuse the muscles. If you watch this video, and I'll put the link down in the description to the video if you'd like to see it, the original. It's a great video, and I really think that it's eye-opening for some to see how hard other people have to train for a movie. But, you know, there are other things that they're not tested for in these movies, and they're given a large sum of money, and I'm not indicating that he took any illegal steroids or anything, but there are a lot of things he could have taken to help him out. So don't judge a book by its cover kind of thing. I do respect the guy. The show is great. Definitely go check it out if you haven't already. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Confusing the muscles is not necessary. Just because Arnold said it back in the 80s and 90s, it has since been disproven. It's the boring, less than sexy stuff that gets the job done. But if you'd like to give this arm workout a try on your next arm day, feel free to go do so. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be putting out more content more readily. I am putting out shorts almost every day on YouTube. I put out content on TikTok and Instagram every single day. Go check it out. This was tough. This was really tough. I don't recommend that much arm volume in one session. At least for me, it doesn't work for me. If it works for you, congratulations, do your thing. But I find it very tough, especially if you only have like an hour-long window. I wanted to recover a lot longer, and my workout was a lot longer than it normally would be. It was about an hour and a half or longer, including, you know, that's not even including my 10 to 15 minute walk beforehand on the treadmill. So I am all done. I'm already at 10,689 steps. And it is 4:30, time to go make myself a meal, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.